Hi guys! Happy Saturday! Today's date is the 13th of April, 2023 and si Scarlett nag-request po siya ng soup. You requested soup, right? Because
Yes.
you're hungry.
Yes.
And what's your outfit for today?
Blowy.
Blowy. Turn around. Turn around. That's Blowy outfit. Costume.
No, stop blowy. It's bingo.
It's bingo! Correction. It's bingo. It's not Blowy.
Not bingo.
At nag-request po siya ng sabaw.
Because bingo looks like this and blowy looks blue.
Yes, I know. And I was
Okay.
just saying that you requested sabaw with rice, correct? Do you want to see what I'm cooking? This is our dinner for tonight. Rice na presko pa oh. Preskong loto na kanin. And as for our ulam for tonight, meron po ako ditong sinabawang tuna. Nilagyan ko po ng battle gourd. At syempre, ang presko na gulay mula sa ating garden. Talbos ng kamote at lalagyan ko din ng parsley. Oh, that's a very healthy, freshly picked today. At syempre, nilagyan ko po yan ng lemongrass para pampalasa. Si Scarlett, she's checking. Of course, I'm going to put the talbos ng kamote at lalagyan ko din ng
Can I put it in?
parsley.
I want to put it in.
Is it ready? Yeah, you can put it in. Be careful, alright?
Okay.
All of them. Ka-cute ni mo, Inday. Oy! Yan, naka-costume pa yan. Ang aking kusinera for tonight. Alright. You want me to stir the pot? Halo-haloin na lang po natin. So, nilagyan ko po yan ng patatas. Siyempre, garlic at onion. And then, may kasama ding tuna para may lasa ang ating sabaw. Ayan po, guys.
Hello guys, today we're doing a video. Mummy's cooking soup and rice.
What do you think?
Yum, yum, yum.
That's good now?
Yes.
Steph, dinner is ready.
No, 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 no. No vegetable. No. Thank you, Mommy. Like this?
No, that's too hot. You have to blow it. And you might have noticed na walang mga vegetables yung kanilang mga pagkain. Don't bash me guys kasi I have tried my best to encourage them na kumakain ng mga vegetables. Kasi nga, nagtatanim po ako ng mga gulay sa aking bakuran. Marami po akong leafy greens especially. Pero ayaw talaga and I can't force them if they don't want to. And using the air fryer, nagluluto din po ako ng roast lamb na may napakaraming herbs and spices para meron po kaming protein. At happy naman po ako na kumakain ng aking mga anak ng sabaw at kanin. At ito yung aking kakainin ngayon, napakaraming gulay. At syempre, hindi po mawawala ang kanin kasi rice is life. You done?
Yummy. It was yummy, Mommy.
Let me see your bowl. You're gonna wash the dishes now. I cook, you wash the dishes.